Yo, what's up, guys? Today we got a little video. We're gonna talk about my new setup. Um, so I haven't really ever touched Fedora. Not at all. Zero zilch. Zero zilch. I've ventured into the world of Rel a little bit. Be like Alma, Magia. Magia's like really cool, by the way. Anyway, so I was like thinking to myself, oh, I'm gonna do this install video of Fedora, and it's gonna be like super sweet and this and that. And then I went for like a test install just to see what was up, and it's a click next distro, bro. There's no point in me doing an installation video of this. I'm anybody with a handful of brain cells can get this thing up and running. You could be like 150 years old, you know what I mean? Half your body's mummified and you could still get this thing going. It's really simple. I want to talk about a couple things. So, basically, I kind of really wanted like a change of pace in a way, but like nothing too drastic. And when I was looking around, I seen all these things. I was like, oh, I could try this one or I could try that one. But at the end of the day, I see 5 or 6 different YouTubers talking about Fedora right now. I go look at it. I'm like, hey, it looks all right. I install it. So that's where we are. That's where we're at. So there's a couple things I've done. The first thing I did was I deleted GNOME. I installed the Cosmic Desktop and I deleted GNOME, and then I used Cosmic on it, and it was like the smoothest Cosmic has ever ran on all the stuff. So I've ran Cosmic on 3 different machines. I've ran Cosmic on this machine 2 other times. Once on Pop OS, which was recently. It worked fine. And then Arch, obviously I've ran it on here. It was fine. I ran it on Arch on my other machine. It was fine. But since I've installed Fedora and I put Cosmic on here, it seems like Cosmic just works better on Fedora for some reason. I didn't get like any weird stuff happening. I don't know if they have people that are putting in a little bit of work to tweak it a little to make it, run better. But it runs great. The only reason why I'm not recording on it right now is because I can't find I can't get they have like a video bridge for Cosmic to get it to screen capture in OBS. And for whatever reason, I just couldn't get it installed. I mean, I will fix it. It will happen. I just, at this point of me writing or me creating this video, um, I haven't done it yet. So we're on Cinnamon, and a while back when I first started like consistently uploading YouTube videos, like my first video that did good, that got 1,000 views, was about Cinnamon. And I think I'm gonna have to do an update video because my whole setup is completely changed here. The way that I use it, I'm actually mouseless on here. I don't know how I did it, but we can operate this entirely without the mouse. Obviously, there isn't tiling, but like let's say um, you open up this, you can move something like that, and then oh, I got another one. I move this one up here, and then I can you know do it that way. It's pretty good. Um, if I need to open a browser and then have a browser on one side, or you know, it's all right. I did do this thing too where like let's say if I go like this, hold on. I'll move this to like here. If I go that, I could center it with Super C. Um Not like the most amazing experience, but it's working. I swapped out the first thing I always do with Cinnamon is I swap out the normal application menu with Cinna menu, because you can set it like I have it set it on the super key and it opens up, and then from here I can type, oh, I want to open up my files, you know what I mean, or whatever. So that works really good. for that. So I'm using that. I found this, I don't know if this is new, this new like switcher thing. Like this is like some weird stuff here. So like I never saw this before. I use cinnamon for a very long time and I didn't know this existed. This might be something new, but might be something not. I got my little farm on my little game. I have no clue. It's very nice though. I do have my workspace grid set up on F1 just so you know I can, because from here you can like, oh, I want to move this here or here, and then you can kind of do it with the mouse if you want to. I don't necessarily need to do that, but every once in a while there might be a thing I might have to move something, you know, that I can't necessarily do at keystrokes. If we go like here, if you pay attention, there's a workspace too. You know, it's got the normal, like, oh, I just sent it to workspace 3 kind of situation, right? And then obviously the, you know, switcheroos. It's pretty great. I noticed some new things too in Cinnamon. That's pretty awesome. I think I'll do like a full on like start to finish on the way I have this set up because it just works really nice now. It's good to come back to something that you used a lot after not using it for a while because, you know, I've used so many different things since I hopped off of Cinnamon that I can now incorporate like some of these ideas into, you know, my workflow. And yeah, Cinnamon's a great thing for that. You can, the cool part about Cinnamon, well, I mean, there's a lot of stuff like this on Linux, but you can go real surface level with it and use it like, you know, Windows or whatever, like a Windows UI. Or you can do what I did and just kind of go crazy with it. And yeah, all of this is just everything I'm using here is the base. There's nothing like external. It's all through Cinnamon. So it's all their components. I did do like a little GTK theme downloady, but yeah, what can you do? That's something that needs to happen sometimes. Yeah, so this whole combination of using Cinnamon on top of Fedora and using Cosmic on top of Fedora has been really great. Um, I'm gonna make like an update video probably like a month from now. I'm gonna leave this on this machine since it's stable and there's no funny business. And I even got like, my text editor all set up. Yeah, we're gonna use this for a while. Anyways, if you like this video, please comment, share, subscribe, do all the things. Put me on Twitter, put me on your Discord. I'm going to have a good rest of my evening, and I hope you have a good rest of yours. Peace out.